If you've ever wondered how to get free money on Cash App without shady tricks, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the legit way to earn free cash using Cash App's invitation bonus program. And if you stick around till the end, I'll share my pro tip to make sure you don't miss out on the bonus. First, open the Cash App on your phone and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Here, look for the Invite Friends button. This is where you'll find your personal referral code or link. Tap it and you'll see an option to share your code through text, email, social media, or even directly with your contacts from inside the app. Here's how the bonus works. When your friend signs up using your referral code, they need to link a debit card or bank account and send a small qualifying payment, usually $5 in yen, to another account within 14 days. Once they do that, both of you get a cash bonus credited directly to your accounts. This is a true win-win. You get rewarded, and so does your friend. The bonus amount can change depending on Cash App's current promotion, so always double-check inside the app to see the exact amount being offered before inviting. You can also go to the Activity tab to track whether your friend has completed the steps and whether your reward is pending or paid out. Here's my quick tip. Send your friend the steps along with your code so they don't forget to link a card or make that first payment. If they skip any step, you won't get the bonus. So there you go. That's how you turn Cash App into a little free money machine. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and check the description where I'll include the link to Cash App so you can start inviting friends right away.